welcome back to the channel. So today I finally got the 2002 Camaro out to run the quarter mile, and things didn't quite work out as we had hoped. I made one pass. The car didn't really run any faster. The issue I run into is, anyone who's been watching this channel, you know that I screwed up the gears when I put them in. They're a little noisy. But up until now, they was noisy, but they stayed the same. Like, it didn't make any more noise or any less noise than it did when I first put it together. Anyway, after that run, when I turned the car around, the rear end was making a lot of noise. So I thought maybe it'd probably be best not to run it second trip down the quarter mile, just in case. And as far as quarter mile videos go, they don't get a whole lot of views anyway. So another thing we're kind of kicking around is maybe going forward we may stop doing the quarter mile runs and just do like 0 to 60 testing, because they seem to get just as many views, and you're a lot less likely to get into any legal trouble doing the 0 to 60. And now, mind you, we run the quarter mile in Mexico, of course. That's where everybody runs the quarter miles, in Mexico. But anyway, I'm not sure what we're going to do. Anyway, guys, one thing I did do was I did set the highest mile per hour I've ever had in the quarter mile. The speed went up by probably almost a full mile per hour. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.